twists are superior. This is not a style you can leave in your head for 2-3 months and think you're gonna be good. Exhibit A. Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can get right into it. Y'all know that I'm a mini twist girl, okay? I do mini twists all the time. They are my go-to protective style and I want to help y'all do them as well. There are a couple different ways you can do mini twists, okay? You can go the traditional route and install mini twists on your natural hair. You can also add some extensions to your mini twist. So we're gonna compare these two methods today and let you know which method is best for you. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first things first, mini twist on your natural hair is exactly what it sounds like. You have the choice to install on wet/damp hair for lots of shrinkage and very juicy curls, or you can also install on stretched hair, which will give you more length and a bit fluffier look, okay? I've actually done both methods on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check those out. This is what it looks like for comparison. So you can either install mini twists on your natural hair or you can add extensions like I did in my last video. So if you haven't already watched my last video, go ahead and check it out. And the hair that I use specifically is from Outre. It is their Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist. In my last video, I used the length 16 inches. They have an 18 inch and they even have a 24 inch, which I featured in this video. And I've even doubled up the length before in this video, okay? Pros of installing your mini twist on your natural hair. It's quicker. So it takes me about 6 hours to install a full head of mini twist on my natural hair. And on average, I'm installing about 100 twists. 6 hours is still a lot of time. But if you want the process to be as quick as possible, highly recommend installing on your natural hair. Another huge pro for me, it gives the lock effect. I remember installing my first set of mini twists last year and I was like, oh, I'm gonna lock up. I am going to lock up, especially with micro locks trending nowadays. So many people starting their lock journey, and I think so many people have actually started their locks from a set of mini twists that they just fell in love with and they never wanted to take out. So if you are someone who's interested in possibly starting your lock journey, and you really just want to get a feel of how your hair would look, I highly recommend styling your mini twists on your natural hair. Another pro of installing mini twists on your natural hair, it's a low maintenance hairstyle, okay? Once you get those twists in your head, you good to go. And I highly suggest you not doing too much to your hair while it's in those mini twists. I know we often have a desire to go in and like refresh, add some more product, but mini twists are a low maintenance style, and that's one of the reasons why they are like the best protective style for natural hair. So I suggest not overcomplicating that and really just enjoy the fact that mini twists are so low maintenance on your natural hair. Now, let's talk about some of the pros of installing mini twists with added hair or with extensions. If you are someone who doesn't feel like your natural hair length is going to give in mini twists, problem solved. Add a little bit of hair and you good to go, okay? So I posted a video on TikTok of my mini twist on my natural hair, and I was reading through the comment section and a lot of people were like, this is not gonna work on my short hair, okay? Like, or I tried that and my hair is way shorter, so it didn't look like that. And I know that for some people, the look is really what they want. So this would be a great option for the girls who maybe have shorter hair and don't wanna rock their twist on shorter hair, or you have longer hair and you want your mini twist to be even longer. Go ahead and add some hair. On that same note, another pro of rocking mini twists with added hair is it gives you more volume and it gives you more fullness, okay? This is gonna be important, especially for my girls who have thinner natural hair or fine natural hair. Problem solved, okay? Not saying that it's a problem, but if that is your preference to have a fuller look, add some hair. Another pro of installing mini twists with extensions is it lasts longer. So I actually wore my mini twist with extensions for a whole month. Now that we got the pros out of the way, let's talk about the cons of mini twists on your natural hair. The biggest con I'm sure you already know you may be starting locks and not even knowing it. Exhibit A. Just kidding. So if you don't know the story of my singular lock, I actually did a set of mini twists last year, and I decided that I was gonna leave one twist in and I was gonna let it lock up just because I was super obsessed with locks at the time, but I knew I still wanted my loose natural hair. So I was like, well, let's just lock one. If you do mini twists on your natural hair, you just need to know how long it's gonna take your hair to start locking up. This is not a style you can leave in your head for 2-3 months and think you're gonna be good. Not too many cons, because again, this is the best protective hairstyle for natural hair, okay? So let's talk about a con of installing mini twists with extensions. Sometimes the extensions make life more difficult, okay? Not only is it adding on some time to your process, I personally do deal with slipping at my root. That is something that irks me, and it's just another thing, like an added layer of things you have to worry about with your hair. Whereas when you doing mini twists on your natural hair, ain't nothing slipping out, baby. It's nothing to slip out, okay? So you do have to kind of think about your install methods and technique a little bit more when you are installing mini twists with added hair, because it's like if the grip game not right, it will start to slip out. I did go ahead and retouch my perimeter while wearing these twists. I did not do my whole head, but I did have to freshen up the perimeter just because of slipping. But again, not too many cons because mini twists are superior. So now that you know the pros and the cons of each style, you can determine whether you are going to go for mini twists on your natural hair or mini twists with extensions. I do have a personal preference. Mini twists on natural hair all day. I feel like that girl with mini twists on my natural hair. So that is my personal preference. Let me know what your preference is for mini twists in the comment section below. Are you doing mini twists on your natural hair? Are you doing mini twists with extensions? Are you blowing your hair out first? Are you styling on wet hair, shrunken hair? What is it giving, okay? What do mini twists look like to you? And I want us all to be wearing mini twists because they are the best protective hairstyle for natural hair. Before you go, make sure you check out my mini twist playlist. All of these videos that I'm referencing, all the different times I've done mini twists, it's in the playlist, okay? So go ahead and check out that playlist and get your life, okay? And install your mini twists. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.